Hi there and welcome to episode 12 of Short and to the Point, newbie guide to creating a basic custom championship. So this is really for people that have just come to Assetto Corsa. Those of you that have been around for a while should know how to make custom championship by now, but if you don't, this may help. First things first, click on the plus button. We're going to create a new custom championship. Now you find this in Content Miscellaneous. Right, we can call it what we want, but don't forget to save it once you've done that. To select a car, click on the grey box. Don't worry about the errors for now. Choose a car, any car you want, but we're going to do a Kunas sort of championship. So this is the Ferrari 488 GT3 from 2011. I've downloaded some skins from Race Department. There's 10 skins. We're going to stick with Brazil to start with, and now we're going to create a preset. So first thing we do is go to the plus sign, click on it, find the car again, which is Ferrari GT3 488, and add that. Now there's 10 skins, so we need to add 9 opponents because obviously we've already got one skin for ourselves. And as I said, make sure that you don't put the Brazil skin into your preset because you're already driving that. Once you've done that, save the preset. Now I tend to save it as the year, followed by a name, followed by in brackets the amount of cars that are in it. Having a preset really does help you. As I show you here, I've got a list of presets. I do have a preset. You can change it however you want to have a mix and match grid, or you can have the same car. We're going to stick with the same car, as I said, just to keep it simple to start with. You can build up on this. So once we've done that, click save and then click reload, and you'll see that the error messages go away. And what that's doing is just reloading your saved version. Really important that we save on a regular basis. Strength and aggression. This is down to you, how you drive, how well you can compete. I usually say 90-95 and 40-50 for the aggression. So now you get to choose your tracks. Now you can choose any track you want, but we'll stick with Kunas. Now you will need some DLCs if you want Barcelona, and I've put a list of names up there. But if you just want the basic ones, that's fine. Now most importantly, if you choose a track that's got, say, 30 grids and one that's got 12 grids, then the 12 will be the maximum cars you can have. So that's 11 opponents plus your one. It always reverts to the lowest pit boxes. So all you're going to do is just add additional tracks. You can change the temperature, the time of start, the track, the weather, and the duration, usually 5 to 10 laps. 10 laps is about 15 to 20 minutes. You can also alter the track positions. So in Content Manager, just make sure that that hasn't got a tick in a box, and you'll be able to drag and drop the track positions. So rules suit what you want. 6 to 12 minutes I usually put for practice and qualification. You can have penalties, you can get rid of the penalty for the jump start. Also, if you put your author's name in and difficulty and the version number, that helps if you do share it. Now if you haven't got a picture, don't worry, just click on Update Preview, find a JPEG that you like, select it, set the crop parameters, click OK, save, reload, and your picture will be there. And finally, if you want to put a championship description in, you're more than welcome. You don't have to, but it's nice to put a bit of background. I tend to use Wiki for a lot of my stuff. And I said, this is my championship. There are many like it, but this is mine. And that's a bad paraphrase of Full Metal Jacket. There we have it. So you've got the description and the picture. So the driving assist. Now, if you're a beginner, just stick it on novice. But you can set it how you want, so you can take things off, add things on, depending on what you want to do. So final checks before we race. So rules and information, check, rounds are checked, and the cars are checked. So I said, very simple, 4 tracks, 1 car, but you can expand on this at any time you want. So a loading screen will pop up. If you've already saved one, you can create your own. And if you're short of time, you can skip a session. But if you do skip to the race, you will start last. Here we are at the race, all ready to go. The lights will count down and it's lights out and away we go. So that's it. It's a simple championship. Pause as you go along if you're not sure of anything. You can ask questions in the comments below and I'll come back to you as soon as possible. But this is just a basic championship and you can build on it. Don't be frightened to test things out. Hopefully you'll have lots of fun, and I'll also put down in the comment section below some links to my championships. Until then, thanks for watching, stay safe, stay well, and I'll see you at the next one.